285 and 48. Now you hear. Done. How about it? 228 and 20. How about it, Minneapolis fans? You got a good run there. Nostalgia galore, 273. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a good hand. Duramax powered Chevrolet, 3-inch turbo, you know the deal. There's your new leader, 333.84. All right, good rip there for Steve. He goes 256.73. Now here comes Austin. It was real close, but his uncle still got him. 332.28. 332.28. I think Christopher gets to brag tonight. He's going to be going 20.9 miles an hour. The two John Deeres are sitting close tonight. Nice run there. Good job. Now Austin runs. Yorkville, he goes 308 and 91. Tubalcain. Hey, the red ones are getting it done. He goes 288 and 99. 288. through our sponsors one more time. Worley Custom Fabricating, Worley Custom Side-by-Side, Worley Custom Power Coating, Worley Custom Fabric, T-shirts, whatever else you can make custom. They're doing it right in DeKalb, Illinois. Dan's Diesel Performance. Oh my goodness, yes. If you need parts for your truck, anything diesel, they're working right on it, getting you some power. You see a lot of them tonight. As well as Stein Seeds. Again, we can't forget about our farmers out there. That's why we're here. Agriculture makes the fair go round. And we're sure glad. Shootout brought to you by Worley Custom Fabricating. But first, here comes Nick Kruger on the John Deere called Alimony. It's going to burn some alcohol and get after it. Here we go. All right, he went 290 and 120. The Silver Express diesel-powered white tractor. AGCO fans, here he comes again. Well, it's a bummer. Steve and I were talking about this before he started. He said, I just can't quite figure out what this thing's doing to me.